thousands of them. The universal state of the earth is part of the universal essence. As a universal essence, it is governed by universal principles and laws. Therefore, it is formed by the need for planetary integration and by a universal necessity. Integration as a universal necessity. Being a universal necessity, it assumes the existence of infinite states in the universe. Universal states go through 3 stages. 1. The internal constitution, use. 2. The evolution of planetary consciousness, education. Use. 3. Integration to other intergalactic universal states. We are in the first stage. The universal state of the earth. The universe as totality has a universal essence. This universal essence is the unity of matter and energy. Energy and matter are in continuous interaction. Interaction is the mutual transformation of energy to matter and from matter to energy. This mutual transformation gives rise to the principle of inseparability. Energy and matter have opposite behaviors. The principle of conservation governs the behavior of energy and the principle of destruction governs the behavior of matter. The principle of inseparability is manifested through the law of the dependence of energy and matter. The law of dependence is the condition of the law of interaction of energy and matter. All interaction is transformation. This transformation is the foundation of the technique. Technique is the foundation of the instrument. Energy and matter have opposite nature and essence. Energy has no structure and tends to be conserved. Matter has structure and tends to destroy itself. From the nature and essence of energy arises the principle of conservation. From the nature and essence of matter arises the principle of destruction. From the principle of conservation arises the law of integration that governs the transformation of energy into matter while conserving proportionality. Proportionality is based on the principle of inseparability. The conservation of proportionality. The principle of inseparability and the tendency to conservation of energy give rise to the law of intemporality of energy. From the principle of destruction arises the law of disintegration that governs the transformation of matter into energy while conserving proportionality. This proportionality comes from the principle of inseparability. The disintegration of matter implies its transformation into energy. The transformation of matter into energy gives evidence to the law of the temporality of matter. Thus, energy is timeless and matter is temporary. Energy tends to integrate into matter, and matter tends to disintegrate. In planetary consciousness, energy is conducted through universal education. Universal education leads to the integration of humanity. Thus, the universal state of the earth is sustained in the planetary consciousness. The planetary consciousness is sustained in universal education. Universal education is based on universal principles and laws.